to our CAD tutorial. In this I'll be teaching how the crosshair size, how to change the background color, and how to turn off the grid. So as you can see my drawing right over here, it is presented in black background color, but we may have to change the background color from black to white. White, as white is the standard form for our background color. So for that, first we need to move on to A. Click right over here. Then after clicking on A, you need to move on to options. After moving on to options, you need to a dialog box appears, as you can see here. Now let's go for colors first. Then in order to change the background color from black to white or any other color, first you need to click on colors. After clicking on colors, you have to see here this box here is named color. Change it from black to white. You can change it to any color, green, whatever you need, but right now I need white, so I'm changing it to white. Apply and close, and I will click on. Now as you can see, the background color has already changed. And now in order to change my crosshair size from 1, I need to, let's say, change into 2, 8, whatever. I can change it right here. I'm going to change it to 10 for now. Okay, after clicking on OK, you can see my background color has changed into white, and now you can see my crosshair size has also increased. Right over here. And in order to turn off the grid, I simply need to click over here and turn off the grid. So that's it. I have changed my crosshair size, changed the background color from black to white, and now this now my CAD drawing looks a lot better and more presentable. So for more CAD tutorials, you can subscribe our channel, and if you have any queries, you can comment down